Goodbye tingling hands and weak legs. 6 collagen-rich fruits you must eat. Do you wake up with tingling hands, weak legs, or stiff knees that make standing up feel tougher than it should? This isn't just about getting older. In most cases, it's a sign your body's collagen is breaking down. After 60, collagen loss means less cushioning in joints, weaker muscles, and slower nerve signals. That's why walking feels heavier, balance is off, and everyday moves start to hurt. The good news? You don't need pricey supplements to boost collagen. In this video, I'll share 6 easy fruits that help support collagen, cut joint inflammation, and build leg strength after 60, plus simple ways to prep them for better nutrient absorption. If stiff knees, weak legs, or constant tingling are slowing you down, stick around till the end. Let's jump into the first one, strawberries. These little guys are packed with vitamin C and antioxidants that help your body hang on to existing collagen instead of losing it fast. As we age, inflammation speeds up collagen breakdown, making knees swell and legs feel heavy. Strawberries calm that down and block enzymes that damage joints. A study from the Journal of Medicinal Food showed older folks with knee osteoarthritis who ate strawberries daily had way less pain and swelling. No other changes needed. Just eat them fresh, slice into yogurt, add to oatmeal, or blend in a smoothie with water. Skip jams with sugar. 1 cup a day, and in weeks, your knees might feel looser and movement smoother. Next up, blueberries. They're great for your brain, but even better for joints after 60. Anthocyanins in them protect collagen from wear and tear, helping repair cartilage and reduce leg swelling. Research from the Journal of the Academy of Nutrition and Dietetics found older adults eating blueberries daily saw better joint movement and less lower body puffiness in just 2 weeks, plus improved blood flow. Grab a handful fresh, mix into oatmeal, or smoothie it up. Go for wild ones if you can. Avoid sugary snacks. Your legs could feel lighter and mornings less stiff soon. Then there's blackberries. Their deep color means loads of anthocyanins that shield collagen and slow joint stress. They also give manganese for new collagen and better circulation. Eat fresh in a bowl, with yogurt or plain, morning's best. A small serving daily can ease ankle stiffness and make days smoother. Guava's a powerhouse. Way more vitamin C than oranges for collagen building and repair. It fights oxidative stress too. Eat raw with skin, 1 medium a day, sliced or in smoothies. No juices with sugar. Papaya has papain enzyme to break down proteins for collagen rebuild, plus vitamin C. Studies in nutrition journals note reduced pain and better flexibility. Enjoy ripe, plain, or with lime. Last, pineapple. Bromelain cuts swelling so collagen can heal. It matches some pain meds in studies. Fresh chunks, 1 cup daily, morning smoothie works. There you have it, 6 fruits that really help. Start with 2 or 3. Small changes add up for better mobility. Which one first? Comment below with your age. Like, subscribe, and hit notifications for more tips. Thanks for watching. See you next time.